Hello and welcome to Dotnet with Sikhen, and our today's topic is operators and operands. So what exactly operators and operands are? In C Sharp, an operator is a symbol like plus, minus, equal to that tells the compilers to perform an action, and an operand is the value or variable the operator works on. So here in this example, int C is equal to a plus b. So a and b are operands and plus is the operator. Now let's look at the different type of operators. So first one is the arithmetic operators, and it has two category like unary operator and binary operators. So in unary operators we have plus plus, minus minus, and it works on single operand. And here also we have binary like plus, minus, into. So these are different operators and it works on two operands, at least two operands. And then we have relational operators. So relational operators are basically greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and not equal to. So these six are the relational operators. And then we have next logical operators like and, or, and, not. We have assignment operators equal to, plus, equal to, minus, equal to, and so on. And next one is our ternary operators. So here this question mark and colon, these two symbols are used for this ternary operators. So here int a is equal to b is greater than c, and then the question mark d colon e. What is the meaning of this? It means the first statement here, b is greater than c. If it is true, then it returns d, means the value of a will be d. Otherwise, if it is false, then the value of a will be e. And next one is the null coalescing operators like double question mark and double question mark equal to. And we have next one is the bitwise operators. So we have three here again, and, or, and XOR. We will discuss it later on. And we have also left shift, right shift, right? So bitwise, not unary operators. Yeah. So we will be discussing all these operators one by one in our next videos. But let's look at this arithmetic operator first. So arithmetic operators, what is this? It is used for basic math on numeric operands. So basically it is used for calculations like you want to add or whatever mathematical operations, right? So you can do with this arithmetic operators. And first one is the unary operators. And in unary operators, as we know, like it works on single operand. So basically unary operator has single operand. Now here look at it like increment operator plus plus, and it has again two variation like plus plus a, that is the pre-increment, and a plus plus, that is the post increment. We'll discuss it in the example like how it works. And similarly we have the decrement operator like minus minus a, which is the pre-decrement, and a minus minus, which is the post decrement. And similarly we have the binary operators. So binary operators are basically the operators which works on at least two operands. And here these are different binary operators like plus, minus, into, division, and percentile division. So look at all these things in action. To save a little time, I have prepared this program, and here we can discuss like what are different unary operators and how it works, and the binary operators also. So let's look at the unary operator first. Here unary operator increment and decrement example. So let's say int x is equal to 10. So the initial value of x is 10, and post increment like x plus plus. So if you want to write like x plus plus, then it will be, the output will be 10 first, because it x plus plus means it first print, and then it will assign the value. Can say like in this way, x is equal to x plus 1. That is what the meaning of x plus plus. So here x plus plus means first it prints and then it will assign to x. So here output will be 10 first, and then x becomes 11. So it will increment, right? So it will increment with 1. And then here after post increment, so let's say we have incremented it and then we want to print it again. So the output will be 11. And then again if we write pre-increment like plus plus x, So plus plus x means first it increment and then it prints. So it will increment to 12 because it was earlier the value of x was 11. So x becomes 12 and then outputs will be 12. And again if you want to print that one after pre-increment, then it becomes 12 because here value is the value of x is 12. And in the same way we have post decrement also. So if we write post decrement x minus minus, so it prints first and then it decrement, right? So here the output is 12 and then x becomes 11 because it decrement. And then after post increment the value of x is 11, and if we decrement it, or we can say like pre-decrement minus minus x, it means it will first decrement and then it will print. So here the value of x becomes 10, then output will be 10, and in the same way we have the output 10, right, after pre-increment. So it is very easy to understand like what is the meaning of x plus plus or plus plus x. X plus plus means it will first print and then it will increment, and plus plus x means it will first increment and then it will print. So if you remember in this way, then it is very easy for you to like follow up like what exactly the meaning of plus plus x or x plus plus. In the same way we have x minus minus and minus minus x, that is the decrement. Okay, so this is the unary increment or decrement. In the same way we have binary operators. So binary operators are very easy, like you know, a plus b, a minus b, a into b, a divided by b, and a percentile b. So there is a difference between this division and modular division. So these are used in division basically. So a minus b, it gives the quotient, and here it gives the remainder. Okay, it means you know like what exactly the quotient and remainder is, right? So this modular division gives the remainder, and then this division /1, it will give the quotient. Okay, let's run and look at the result, how it works. Yes, so here you can see these are the results. These are for the increment and decrement for unary operators, and these are for the binary operators. Yeah, that's it for today, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.